So I'm going to show you how to adjust the mouse pointer size of a mouse connected to a Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So what you need to do is go to settings. Under settings, scroll down on the left hand side panel and go to general management. Tap on that. And then under that, you should see mouse and trackpad. Tap on that. And then you will see pointer size and color. So tap on that. And then you can see it's set to the smallest size. So you can go and adjust the size of that pointer, and you can actually see in real time the size. Okay, so that's going to be the size of the pointer. That's much bigger. You can also change the color in case you're having problems with the color of the mouse pointer. You can select from one of these available colors. The black is usually your default, but you have a limited range of colors you can choose from. Okay, but that's basically how to change the mouse pointer size and also color on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.